So I would like to start is, that today we see that India is moving from one fuel fit approach to a multi-fuel approach. So whether it is CNG, it is ethanol, it is diesel, India is clearly not putting all the eggs in one basket. So Vivek, can you talk about the fuel mix option for India in 2026 and over a decade? And can you also talk about few policies which you think are the driver behind this growth, what we are projecting in S&P sales-based powertrain forecast?
Yes, Puneet, thank you so much for setting up the context and talking about India powertrain as a multi-fuel approach. Yes, this is actually unique with respect to India, and when we compare it with global levels like China, it is very clear that they are adopting electrification at a very large scale and following all the OEMs are aligning their strategy in that direction. And if we see in Europe also, the footsteps are very clear that they are in Europe are focusing on electrification. But in India and particularly in the low-cost market where the affordability is major concern, so the frugal solution, the local solutions are there in picture for India market. And we are clearly seeing with the multi-fuel market shares here in India, like CNG accounts for more than 20% and diesel and other powertrain solutions like hybrid electrification is there in parallelly there in existence and growing in coming years. So with this approach, this slide basically indicates how the fuel powertrain should adopt the technology pathway in the short period and then the mid-term period and in the long-term period. So for the conventional powertrain here in S&P, we believe that they should be translated towards the flex fuel solutions like the conventional fuel E20. We should now target to move from E20 to E85. Talking about CNG, we should translate it from conventional CNG as our 50% CNG dependency is through export only. So we should translate it to the bio CNG penetration. And for the strong hybrid vehicles, the hybrid one, we should also make it based on the flex fuel hybrids. And for electrification, as it is part of our net zero commitment also that currently we are dependent on CO2 intensive electricity generation from coal-based electric generation, we should make it towards the renewable part of it. So this is in line with our net zero commitment, and we are moving positively in this direction by increasing our renewable capacity. So electrification, we should focus from tank to wheel to well to wheel concept. So this is how the technology roadmap should be. And in future, we should also look for other advanced powertrain solution based on hydrogen-based ICE engines. So this is how the roadmap should look like.
So thank you very much, and stay tuned for more from S&P Global Mobility. So until next time, stay safe and stay informed. So thank you all.